All right, we've got a fresh package in for repair. Let's see what kind of surprise is waiting inside. It's like Christmas, except instead of gifts, it's usually broken tech. What do we have here? Looks like a 14 Pro, but hold on, wait a minute. Something feels off. Yup, it's not a 14 Pro. It's actually an iPhone XR in a 14 Pro's clothes. This thing's basically pulling a Clark Kent, wearing a superhero suit, but deep down, it's still the same old XR. A little identity crisis never hurt anyone, right? So naturally, we reached out to the customer and got the backstory. Turns out, our customer took this XR to a local shop for a simple front camera cleaning. Seems harmless enough, right? Well, mid-cleaning, the phone decided it had seen enough of this world and shut down. No warning, no goodbye, just lights out. RIP. But here's the twist. We can't let this XR rest in peace just yet. Why? Because our customer has some very, very important data on this phone. And when I say important, I mean this phone holds their digital life important. So, we geared up for some serious phone surgery. We're talking hours of intricate microscopic work, trial and error, poking and prodding like we're on the world's tiniest battlefield. Honestly, if this phone could talk, it'd be asking us for a vacation right about now. There were definitely a few moments where we thought this XR might just win the battle. But after what felt like a marathon of let's try this and this and this, we finally cracked the code. Success. All the data? Safe. All the functions? Back in business. And this phone, it's alive and kicking again, just like it never took that long nap. Now all that's left is to package this little miracle up and send it back to its owner. And this iPhone XR can finally drop the 14 Pro disguise. Mission accomplished. Another phone saved and another digital life restored. So if your phone's out here playing dress up or taking unexpected naps, don't panic. AppleDoc is here to bring it back from the dead. We'll handle the surgery, no heartbeat required.